Ever wished you could use the same powerful AI tools that big companies use, but for free? Well, that wish just came true. Meet DeepSeek V3, a free AI tool that's making expensive AI services nervous, and for good reason. Let me break down why this is such big news. Most good AI tools cost a lot of money to use, but DeepSeek V3?
It only costs money because there's a lot of computation and stuff you got to take into consideration. That's why blockchain might be the best solution for a lot of AI things, because at least you can throttle or at least monitor what's going on in the AI stuff so you can delegate what energy needs to go where. Blockchain might do well in solar panels too. I ain't gonna lie to you. You could distribute energy at a more efficient cost too, like controlling how much is like out there rather than just having Con Edison and everyone. I see why blockchain is kind of a threat. You could just have the source as the currency backed on whatever it is and have people basically dictate the price.
It's completely free and open to everyone. That means anyone can use it, change it, or build new things with it. No hidden fees, no monthly payments, just pure AI power available to all. Here's something crazy. While other companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars making their AI, DeepSeek V3 was built for just $5.5 million. That's like getting a luxury car for the price of a bicycle. But don't let the low cost fool you. This AI is incredibly powerful. How powerful? Well, it can think 3 times faster than older versions. It understands and remembers as much text as a whole book. That's way more than most other AI tools out there.
But the thing with DeepSeek is you gotta kind of constantly monitor how much you text it or how much conversation it has, because then you're gonna have to start a new chat. Not saying that the new chat is not good, but it's like quick. So you can't really get a full flow of working, at least from what I used it for so far. It might have increased in the amount of memory it remembers and stuff like that, but for now, I think that's the only thing that is annoying with DeepSeek.
Whether you're writing something, need help with math, or want to create computer code, DeepSeek V3 can handle it all. And it's not just fast, it's really smart too. In tests, it's doing better than many expensive AI services. It's great at speaking different languages, solving tough math problems, and writing computer code. Even the experts who work with AI every day are amazed by what it can do. Think about what this means. Small business owners who couldn't afford expensive AI can now use the same powerful tools as big companies. Students and researchers can use it for their work. Writers can get help with their stories. The possibilities are endless, and remember, it's all free. And here's the best part. You can actually download and use DeepSeek V3 right now on your computer. All the model files are available on Hugging Face, and there's a detailed guide on GitHub showing you exactly how to set it up. I'll put all the important links in the description below so you can check them out. All you need is a decent computer setup to get started. But I know installation isn't everyone's cup of tea. If you want to skip the technical setup, you can try DeepSeek V3 right away on platforms like Anakin AI, which I've talked about in my previous videos.
Anakin AI? Oh, nah. Hold on. I gotta die. Yeah. Anakin AI. One stop AI, but create your own AI app, generate. I'm thinking it's like something else.
There you can access not just DeepSeek V3, but also other powerful AI models like GPT-4, Claude 3.5, Gemini Pro, and Meta Llama, plus some cool AI image and video generation tools. So, what do you think about this new DeepSeek V3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay. This video was great when it comes to DeepSeek. It gives you a general idea, just so you see what DeepSeek looks like, just the interface. You could use Deep Think, where it shows you how it thinks, just the process to get to an answer. You can use the search icon, We're just searches the web and scrape for the information. You just input it into it. Or you could just use the regular interface for what it is, like a prompt or a GPT type of thing. Regardless of the fact, you're going to get a nice, cohesive conversation from it. That's the best I could say. Go check it out. Make sure y'all know how to use these AI tools to better your own type of operation. That's really all it's good for. And most of it is free too, like Copilot and stuff. So, you kind of have building blocks on top of building blocks to like be better than you was yesterday.